Another hot one today, 105 so far. That's probably where we'll end up. This is tropical storm Eric, kind of a weakling, but it's moving through Baja or just along the shore here. What it's going to do is weaken, eventually become a low pressure system, but it could pull some of this moisture already over the regions of Texas, West Texas, and parts of Arizona. So there's a chance of an actual thunderstorm in the California deserts Wednesday and Thursday, and the cloud cover that you see here will also be pushed that way. So it's not going to cloud up here. We're not going to drop off into the 90s much. I mean, upper 90s just a tad, but overall, until that happens, we have this big dry air mass on top of us, and that's not going to change anything except keep us hot, okay? So that's the pattern we're under until at least Wednesday. Not that far away. So our current temperature, we're still sitting hot. We are now at 105 still, winds are west at around 18 miles per hour to 19, a little gusty, and that always helps. A little breeze, 104 in Porterville, look at Taft, 106. 90 in Tehachapi, surprisingly not 100 at Lake Isabella. How about that? Wind speed's light, but at least there's a breeze out here, 10 to 15 miles per hour, and that breeze continues along the coast. So officially our high, 105. The average is now 96 for this time of year. The low this morning was 70. We'll be a little warmer tomorrow, and then we'll cool off a little bit on Wednesday and Thursday. And if you have plans this coming weekend, we will heat things back up to above 100 degrees again. 104 in Fresno, 104 in Porterville, as we showed you. 91 was the high in Tehachapi. And along the coast, gorgeous weather. San Luis Obispo, 81. And we had upper 70s to mid 70s in the Santa Maria area. Not bad at all. Other numbers were hot in Palm Springs, 114, 77 in San Diego, and 69 for our friends in San Francisco. Future clouds and radar. All the radar action stays east of us, but a few clouds in San Francisco. That's it. Really, so don't worry about that. Wind speeds will be light, northwest, 5 to 10 miles per hour at best. Mountain winds, 10 to 15, not that breezy at all. And get ready for hot weather again in Fresno, 106. Should say 98 for Yosemite, not 88. 99 in Sacramento, and upper 60s for San Francisco with clouds and then sun. Heading down south, it'll be a cooker here. 80 for Santa Barbara, 93 at Solvang, 78 Ventura, and a 75 for Pismo Beach and Morro Bay will also be nice at around 70 to 72 once we get to the afternoon. 92 at Disneyland in line at the rides, 116 for Palm Springs, and upper 80s to 90 degrees in downtown Los Angeles. For our area, 105 to 107 degrees. It's going to be a cooker. I think Taft will be hotter at 108. So we're not going to do a lot of this nonsense. Remember, we had 108 4 days in a row. That's not going to happen. But still, it will be hot for tomorrow. So please use caution if you're working outside. 90 is upper 90s for Glenville, Tehachapi, above 90 again, around 93. Desert regions also hot, meaning like 110 for Ridgecrest. And that's awfully hot out to the deserts. But Wednesday and Thursday, maybe a chance of a thunderstorm in our deserts. That's well eastern Kern County. Unhealthy for sensitive group air quality. The low tonight 72, tomorrow 107. 7-day forecast. We dip off into the upper 90s for a couple of days, but it sure doesn't last long. We're into it now, folks.
Yes, we are. All right, thanks, Colin.
You bet.